Here's a pair of Bose 700 NC noise cancellation headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Chromebook via Bluetooth. First thing is go to your Bluetooth settings. So go ahead and go to your settings. You can click on that little launcher on the bottom left-hand side and just go to settings. And then from here, we're going to tap on Bluetooth in the left pane here. Tap on that. Make sure Bluetooth is toggled on. Okay, mine is on. And now, before we click on pair new device, we want to first put these into pairing mode. Okay. So let's see here. So that on the one side here, I have you can see a little Bluetooth symbol. This is the Bluetooth / power button here. Let me just turn these on first. And what I want is a slow blue blinking light. Okay, just like this, slow blue, not a white light, not a fast blinking blue. Let's slow blinking blue like that. Okay, if yours not blinking blue, just press and hold this for like 3 seconds again. And then let go and see if you get the slow blue blinking light. Anyway, slow blue blinking light indicates it's in pairing mode. So now we're going to click right here, pair new device. And now it's searching for devices that are in pairing mode near me. These are in pairing mode. Oh, I just Bose NC 700 headphones. There we go. So let me go ahead and select on that right there. It says pairing. And voila, we are now connected. Okay, you can also click on the Bose 700. You can tap on that as well. And you can see how much battery juice. I have 80% there. And if you tap on here again, then you can, if you want to disconnect or forget the device. Now, anyway, we're connected to the Chromebook. Now, if you had issues where you couldn't put it in pairing mode with the slow blue blinking light, or you couldn't connect it, or you had some kind of connecting issues, you can always factory reset these, okay? Look in the link below. I'll show you how to factory reset these, all right? Good luck, guys.